Hello everyone, my name is Temzul Hamo and I was part of the group that completed the research project called Rise in Transition, Immigration and Ethnicity. The purpose of our research was to understand the experience of new immigrants and international students as they adjust to new life in Canada. My main role in this project was data analysis. I worked with the survey result, organized the data, identified the patterns, and helped interpret the findings. Today, I will answer five questions about our research projects. So, regarding the five projects from the list of the question, my first question is question number three, which is how did you decide on the research methodology used in your study? Okay, regarding this, for our research, we have decided to use survey questionnaires because we wanted to hear directly from immigrants and international students about their experience in Canada. The survey included both multiple choice questions and also open ended questions. This helped us to collect numerical data such as percentages and trends, as well as their personal stories and opinions. I think even this method worked well because it gave us both statistical information and also real life experience. So this is for question number one. Question number two, from the list I have chosen question 20, which is can you explain the process of data collection and analysis used in your research project? Okay, regarding this, this question actually relates directly to my role in this project, as we collected response from 19 participants through an online questionnaire. After the data was collected, I organized the responses into different categories such as age, English proficiency, immigration status, or the length they were living in Canada. I then analyzed the result to identify common patterns. For example, I looked at which challenges were reported more often and compared those responses. For the written response, I have grouped similar comments together and identified common themes such as employment barriers or cultural adjustment or social isolations. So this is regarding question 2. My next question is question number 5. I've chosen the question 5 from the list, which is what were the main findings of your study regarding immigration and ethnicity in Canada? So regarding this, one of the biggest findings was that finding employment in a professional field remain a major challenge for many newcomers. Many participants said or mentioned that employers actually seeks Canadian work experience even though they acquired qualification and experience from their home countries. So that is one major part, and another thing is affordable housing was another major concern. Participant also mentioned challenges related to adapting to Canadian culture and also language barriers, and also building social connections. At the same time, many participants said that support from family, friends, and community networks helped them overcome these challenges and adjust more successfully. My next question, question number 4, I have chosen from the list is question 33, which is you can you explain any statistical methods or analytical techniques used in your study? Okay, so regarding this, the main technique I have used was descriptive statistics. I calculated percentages and frequencies from the survey responses to identify trends and patterns. For example, I looked at how many participants found employment, housing, and cultural adjustment difficult. I also used thematic analysis for the open-ended questions. This means I actually read the responses and grouped those similar ideas together and identify common themes that appeared across different participant experience. Okay, so that is regarding question 4. And the last question I have chosen from the list is question number 7, which is were there any unexpected results or challenges encountered during the research process? Regarding this, the one result that actually surprised us was many participants had already lived in Canada for more than 2 years, and but they still face challenges such as finding work in their field and also feeling socially isolated. One challenge during the research process was actually a small sample size. We only had 19 participants, so the result may not represent the whole immigrant situations in Canada. The response, however, still provided valuable insight and helped us better understand the experience of newcomers. Okay, so finally, the overall thing is this project actually helped us understand the challenges and also the success experienced by immigrant and international students in Canada. I learned how to organize information, identify patterns, and interpret research findings. It was a valuable experience. Actually, working on Google Forms is my first experience, and it was a great learning through this project. So also I gained a deeper appreciation for the importance of supporting newcomers as they build their life in Canada. Thank you for listening. This is my part. Have a good day. Thank you.